Hey friends, Matthew Harris here, wealthofmatthew.com. In this video, we're going to talk about why you should never pump air into leaky tires. Hey friends, Matthew Harris here, and it's really interesting in business, especially if you're in the network marketing, home-based business industry, where you're looking to grow a big business. You've maybe started to develop an organization. You're leading people, and that's what you are when you're developing an organization. You're a leader. So definitely understand that that's your position, and leadership comes with responsibility. And for a lot of people, the responsibility they think leadership gives to them is to go out there and try and motivate a bunch of other people. And so in the very beginning, you see them have maybe some great success. They're enrolling a lot of people, but then they start to shift into management mode, and they start to spend a whole lot of time with the people in their team, trying to motivate them, calling them every single day, trying to reach out to them, and changing their focus from enrolling new people, bringing new people into the business, and now they're just focusing on trying to get their people to do the same thing, and not leading by example, going into management mode. This is one of the biggest traps inside of the entire network marketing profession, and honestly in any business, to go from production to management mode, all right? So really, it's a trap you want to avoid. And that's why I'm telling you not to pump air into leaky tires. Here's the truth. If someone is not motivated to go off there and transform their life, to go off there and do the work that it takes to become successful, here's what's really, really important for you to understand. You talking to them is not necessarily going to make them a motivated person. It really isn't. See, if they're broke, if they're already struggling financially, if they're already behind on life, and they're not taking action to fix it, then you coming in to talk to them and spending time with them and may not necessarily change who they really are. Do not pump air into leaky tires. You wouldn't do that on your car. You would go change the tire. Now, that's not to say that you go out there and kick people off your team if they're not motivated, if they're not doing what they're supposed to do to become successful, right? That's not what it is. You love them, you still are available for them, but you're not spending your time there. Most people get caught up with spending their time with the wrong people. That comes down on two sides. One is with people that are already in the business, but the other is also with people that are not in the business, right? Where you're chasing people around and you're thinking, man, if this person got involved in my business, they'd be just amazing. But they're lazy. They haven't watched the video yet. They don't have a job. They're really just not really the kind of person that you're looking to partner with. But because you maybe are comfortable with that relationship with them and it doesn't scare you to talk to them, you talk to them. So you're out there trying to pump air into them, but they're a leaky tire. Guys, it's so much easier to run with one person than it is to carry 100 dead people on your back. It's so much easier to go change a tire than it is to keep trying to pump up a tire that's leaking air constantly. It will drain you. There are so many people that have lost their way in this industry, myself included, for trying to turn people into something that they just are not ready to become. Now, can people change? Absolutely. It's one of the beautiful things about this business is that it gives people the opportunity to grow without having to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars to try out a business, all right? That's a very stressful situation. But most people have to go through a learning curve. They have to discover things about themselves. That's one of the challenging things about becoming an entrepreneur is that you realize that the growth of your business and its real potential is not so much the product, the services, the compensation plan, it is you as an individual. The better you become, the more of a leader you become, the higher of an income you're going to make. If you're going around there trying to change people and trying to motivate them and become that professional that's just trying to pump air into leaky tires, friends, you're going to be out of business so fast, and you're going to turn around and say, this thing doesn't work, this is a scam. Here's what you do instead. If you have a bunch of people in your business and they're not moving, the first thing you want to do is look in the mirror and make sure that you are doing what they're supposed to be doing. Because you can't be a leader expecting other people to do what you're not doing. If you're telling people to enroll people and you're not enrolling anybody, they're not going to follow your lead. They're always going to be a couple steps behind you anyway. So if you're managing them, guess what they're doing? They're going around and trying to manage their teams. But if they see you out there enrolling people, out there doing presentations, out there sharing the opportunity, the services with people, then their minds are going to say, you know what, I've got to do the same thing, because they're watching what it takes to be successful, not hearing about it. It's very different when you get to model someone who's actually doing the work than to just think about it and try and figure it out on your own. That's what changed my career forever, was I got to see someone who was actually doing the work of being a network marketing professional, actually doing the job. And I copied that. I just ran with them. That's it. So look in the mirror and make sure that you're actually doing the work. And then, if you are, keep doing it. If you're not seeing any duplication in your business right away, that's not the reason to give up on the business and just thinking, oh man, nobody does anything, this isn't worth my time. That's not it at all. It just means that you haven't enrolled enough people yet, that you haven't hit that critical mass point when things get really exciting. And I'm telling you, when you hit momentum in network marketing, it is one of the most exciting things to see. It is absolutely glorious. I mean, wow, when you see people joining every single day, every hour, every few minutes, and that momentum just continues to boil over, there's nothing like it. It's addicting. It really is. And that's the reason a lot of people tend to, when the momentum dies, they think, oh, it's time to switch companies. You know, that's not a good plan either. And we'll talk about that in another video. But instead of trying to pump air into dead tires, change the tires. Go get some new people. There's nothing like enrolling a couple new people into your business this month or this week. It'll get you energized. Nothing like new blood to get things going. Friends, if you like this video, if you found a lot of value from it, feel free to share, comment, and definitely connect with me on my blog, wealthwithmatthew.com. But until we talk again, my challenge to us all is that we dream, then find a way. God bless.